The carts from Harbor Freight have become really popular, and the welding carts from Harbor Freight are they're just really affordable. You know, even if you've got the metal, it's hard to build something as cheap as you can buy one of these carts. And they're extremely lightweight. And there's been some people mention about how the one smallest model of the carts at Harbor Freight, the smallest welder cart that's probably the most affordable, I think like in the $50-$60 range, is too small in a lot of cases. And this cart that I'm putting together right now is not a welder cart. I'm going to make a welder cart out of a cart that's not actually for a welder. And one thing you might notice that I did with the top is I put the top on upside down because I didn't want the deep dish top. The next thing I've done once I got it put together is I put a hole in it. And the other thing that I'm doing is I'm taking one piece of angle iron and I'm fabricating a brace to put in there. And I put some screws up through the bottom, and then on the top I tack welded those screws. I'm trying to damage the powder coating on it as little as possible. So I didn't want to do a lot of welding, just a few plug welds there on those screws. But here's pretty much what I come up with. And I'm just going to share this as an idea because to get a really large cart to use as a welding cart, I think this is a viable option. I don't really think that I could put the time into building and assembling and the money and the parts and to get a good powder coat finish like this has. It'd be hard to build this for what I paid for the cart. And it's just an idea that I thought I'd share here. I was setting up this machine, and I want to thank y'all for watching. And remember, learn how to work with what you got. That way you'll always have everything you need.